How to grow YouTube Shorts.
Growing your YouTube Shorts channel is an extensive topic, but I can provide a summary of key strategies you can consider. However, it's important to note that YouTube Shorts is continually evolving, so staying up to date with the latest trends and guidelines is crucial. Create engaging content quality over quantity. Focus on creating high-quality, attention-grabbing shorts. Keep them under 60 seconds and ensure they are visually appealing and entertaining. Trending topics and challenges. Stay updated on the latest trends and challenges within the YouTube Shorts community. Creating content related to trending topics can increase your visibility. Catchy thumbnails and titles. Use eye-catching thumbnails and titles that pique viewers' interest. Make sure they're relevant to your content and accurate. Consistent posting. Develop a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Posting at least a few times a week is often recommended. Engage with comments. Respond to comments on your shorts to build a sense of community and encourage viewer interaction. Collaborate. Collaborate with other creators by participating in duets or featuring them in your shorts. This can help you tap into their audience. Hashtags and descriptions. Use relevant hashtags and detailed descriptions. This helps the YouTube algorithm understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Promote on social media. Share your shorts on other social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Analyze analytics. Regularly check your YouTube analytics to understand what's working and what isn't. Adjust your content strategy accordingly. Target keywords. Utilize popular keywords and phrases in your video descriptions and hashtags. This can help your shorts appear in search results. Create series. Consider creating a series of related shorts. Viewers might binge watch multiple videos if they are part of a series. Optimize your profile. Ensure your channel profile is complete and professional. A good profile image, banner, and description can make a positive first impression. Engage with the community. Engage with other creators and your viewers in the comments section and on social media. Building a community around your content can be highly beneficial. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try different types of content and styles to see what resonates best with your audience. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated with YouTube Shorts' latest features and policies. This will help you adapt and thrive in the platform's changing landscape. Remember that growing on YouTube Shorts can take time, and not every video will go viral. Be patient and persistent, and continue to refine your content based on your audience's feedback and platform trends.